One of the reasons why I wanted to do computer science was after learning in Telebort, after experiencing what it's like to code.
Telebort, educate for future. Student highlight interview with Reeyeankha.
Hi, my name is Reeyeankha. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Bayan Penang. I'm currently doing a foundation in computer science. Now I'm currently studying at Uni 10, and so far I find the experience quite good, as at first I was quite nervous, as it's the first time I was like living on my own away from my family. But I think this opportunity was beneficial for me, as I now can live independently on my own. I actually wanted to do computer science since I was young, because I was quite interested in the field. And now that I'm able to complete my studies in this course, I find it really fun. Yes, of course. Currently in my foundation, I have this specific subject called Introduction to Problem Solving. So this subject, where we learn Python programming. And Python is something that I've learned in Telebort, so it was really beneficial for me, as I was able to complete all the lab assignments really easily. There's quite a number of things, such as I learned like different programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and I've learned how to do like web development and data analysis. So there's like quite a number of things that I've learned in Telebort. It's been really fun. I have actually one of the reasons why I wanted to do computer science was after learning in Telebort, after experiencing what it's like to code. That's what really boosted my interest in coding and in computer science. Actually, I haven't really thought about this yet, because I'm not really sure what career I want to go in this computer science field. But definitely in the future, I would like to create something. Just I'm not sure about it yet. But since like the previous question, I'm not really sure what I want to do in this field yet. But definitely something with coding, as I really enjoy coding, and it's something that I find really fun for me to do. Well, surprisingly, I haven't really seen any of my friends have like a big interest in coding other than myself. But if there were, I would really encourage them to take up coding classes, as it is really fun to do, and it's also quite beneficial for them. As even if they're not going to take it, they're not going to do it in their career in the future. But even as a hobby or as a skill set, it's quite useful for them. Actually, Telebort was a coding class back at my tuition center back in 2015. So, and the principal of that tuition center recommended to my mother that she send me and my sister for the coding classes. So that's how really I started learning at Telebort. At the time when I learned at Telebort back in 2015, they only had like a few programs. So after, I think it was like until program C. So after that, I stopped completely because there's no other programs to go forward with. And then recently when COVID first hit back in 2020, where everything was like all classes were all online, and like we couldn't really go to offline classes. Then one of the teachers at Telebort approached my mom, and she asked whether I still like to join Telebort again to like continue the programs, as there were more programs added than before. So yeah, now I'm back here learning at Telebort.
Nice.
My favorite project would actually be the recent project. I guess this is the recent project I did, which was for data analysis in Python. So the reason why I like this project so much is because this is the hardest program specifically for me, as I really had a hard time finding the right data set to use. And so it took me a long time to finish this, but as you can see, I'm done with it. So yeah, we had to create like bar charts using the data that we have, and like just combining the data all together and putting it into a one bar chart. So yeah, this is my favorite program so far in Telebort.
Nice. So yeah, that's something new to me actually, and that's very interesting as well. I couldn't do that myself, but you did it. So yeah, congratulations on that.
That's actually a hard question because I like and appreciate all the teachers at Telebort because they all have been super helpful, and as I can see, they're always there to help students whenever they don't understand or they need help with their coding or just anything in general. So I really appreciate all the teachers at Telebort. I would like to say that coding is really something fun and something that you can enjoy, but it's also a great skill set to have, as not a lot of people can say that they are skillful in coding. So I really recommend, if you have the interest to take up coding in the future, I really recommend for you to do it. Even if you don't want to do it as a career, it's a great hobby as well.